Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 87 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, quick build issue, so we're going to have a look at the magazine. We're starting the mechanism for the left rear door, the window mechanism for that. It's nice and easy. It's much the same as we've done before. We need to put that on there with one of those screws, that underneath it with one of those screws as well. So when we turn the handle on the other side of that, it will connect the windows too. So yeah, I need one of these for that first bit. That on there. It goes through the first hole. Get screw from last time. There we go. Get that on there like that. One of these for the second one. Go get that on there. Like that. All good stuff. So that will move. Loosen those a little bit, I think, because that's a little bit too tight. It might not be. I'm happy enough with that. That's okay. Like that. Then we've got two other things to do. We've got these sticky pads to stop the window catching and scratching. They need to come out of the bag. Come on, out you come as well. I need both of you. No spares in this one, just the two bits. There we go. And they are going to be attached up the top here. I need to peel the backing from them. Grab the sticky bit, like so. And that will just go across there on the inside. Give us just a little bit of clearance, so we're not scratching the plastic of the window on the inside of the plastic of the door. Got something a little bit softer interact with. Come on, I just did it easy on the first one. Can't do it easy on the second one as well. That wouldn't be right. Wouldn't be easy if it both of them worked well. There we go. That's that one. And this one is going just over that post there, actually. Fairly easy to get them lined up. And that is there. So that is this part of the build completed. So let me clear this out of the way. We'll bring in the magazine and we'll have a look at this month's pack. So welcome to volume 24 of building the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. In this volume, we are dealing mainly with the left side of the car, finishing off the left side basically. So we've already got that bit and done that. Next time is the complicated one, then an easy one, and then another moderately easy one. So yeah, you've seen me do that already. Next time I shall be fitting the handle to the inside, fitting the glass, fitting the inside to the outside, and then fitting the door sensor, and indeed fitting the door onto the frame. That's the bit that's going to be tricky. I'm not going to be able to film all of that because of the sheer size, but we'll get that done. Then we need to prep the panels for the rear quarter, rear half, and then fit it onto the car itself. And that will be another month done. Painting the town, obviously that was one of the songs from the film as well, but obviously all about making of the film. Good stuff. The next film, The Frozen Empire, has just come out in digital format, so I'm sure I will pick that up and watch that, maybe before the next episode. You never know. Chartbusters, yes, I bought the album. I'm not ashamed to admit it. Back in the day, I probably still got it somewhere on CD. Burning Man, I don't remember him, but I'm sure he's in there somewhere. Michael C. Gross, my namesake. I wonder if he's a model maker. I bet he's obviously something to do with Slimer. What is he? He role of associate producer of Ghostbusters. He was a renowned graphic designer and artist. Graphic designer, I'll take that. There we go. All good stuff. Is he responsible for the logo? Maybe. Ecto-101. Looking at the poltergeist connection, even. There we go. That's that. And next time, we're starting on the other door. I do actually have this pack. This video is a little bit late coming out because it got late coming out, and then I figured I'd wait for this one to come to get it all out, put it back away again. But it turns out that all of this is self-contained anyway, because we're starting on another door and we're not actually fixing it yet. So yeah, that's it. I would say clear it out of the way, but I don't need to because I've done the build already. I shall see you very soon for the next part of the build. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.